Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a makeup look going on today, but there is something glaringly missing from the look, and if you guessed eyebrows, you are right. Today is Friday Face Off, and we are testing a very new, really popular eyebrow pencil that has been gifted, I'm assuming, gifted to many top social media beauty influencers because you can't scroll through Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts without seeing this eyebrow pencil in the hands of some of the biggest influencers. The exact title is the Victoria Beckham Baby Blade Microfine Brow Pencil. You've probably seen this on social media and it looks amazing. The packaging is gorgeous. Mine came a little flat in the package from Nordstrom, which by the way, I looked at this eyebrow pencil today to get some final details on it, and it is sold out at Nordstrom. So you can get it at the Victoria Beckham website. You might be able to get it at Bloomingdale's, Neiman Marcus, maybe Saks, some higher end department stores, but definitely the Victoria Beckham website still had all the colors available. But let's see if you even want to order it, because I have not tried it yet. Okay, you guys, this is me jumping into the video. Of course it's me, who else would it be? This eyebrow pencil, you gotta watch the whole video because I will share with you there is a difference in the way these apply and in the way that they wear, but both have a different purpose. And I won't spoil the whole video for you. You wanna watch and see what I mean by that. But I will tell you that in my holy grail makeup bag, there is a new eyebrow pencil. It is that good. It's that good. It's that good. I see what the hype is about, and I rarely jump on a hype train, but this is a game-changing eyebrow pencil for me, for sure. So I'll get out of the video now and let it continue. The inside packaging is equally as gorgeous. It's a nice cream color. It has a little bit of weight to it. It has that quality luxury weight to it. We're gonna test this $34 eyebrow pencil against one of my favorite, and that is the NYX eyebrow pencil. Now let's talk about the packaging. There's definitely a difference in weight in terms of how heavy these are. This one is a little heavier than this one. This is much lighter. But in terms of the size, the diameter, they're relatively the same. This definitely feels very luxe to me. This feels light. One's not better than the other in terms of the packaging, I wouldn't say, unless packaging is really important to you. But what is important to me is how these wear. Both of these eyebrow pencils say that they are long wearing. The Victoria Beckham website says that this lasts all day. The NYX website says that it is long wear. Neither of them give an hour, which is fine because I'm always a little suspicious when a makeup product gives an hour of wear. There's so many variables in that. Your skin type, what you're doing with it, if you're wearing glasses or not in terms of foundation, for example. So I don't mind that, but I do want to see how long wear these are. So we are going to apply them together, and then I'm going to come back with an 8-hour wear test. Now, typically after I use an eyebrow pencil, I will put a clear brow gel on so that my brows really hold their shape. I do think that helps lock in some of the brow pencil. I'm not going to do that today because it would be like testing a foundation and then putting a setting spray on it. I want to see how these products hold up without an extra layer of protection because not everybody likes to use a brow gel. In terms of brow gel, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I use the Benefit one. I like them both the same. There's no reason why I use one over the other. I just use whichever one I seem to grab. So if you're looking for a clear brow gel, there's a lot of them on the market. I'll link these two down below. They're my two favorite. All right, so let's talk about brows now because the brow game for 2025 is a natural brow look. And for those of us with more mature skin, you want to try to find a brow pencil that is about the same color as your natural root color, whatever that is for you. And then you want to go a little bit warm, but not too warm. If your brows are too cool toned, and I do like more cool toned makeup, but if my brows are too cool, it makes my face look a little washed out. So you want to go with your natural hair color, but a warm tone, if that makes sense. I hope it does. Let's just get this little hair thing on today because, well, you know what? Do I need this? No, I actually don't think I need this. I thought I did because I really wanted to show my brows, but I think I can just use a nice makeup clips. Okay, There we go. Focus is on the brows. So let's take a look at what we've got. Clearly, I need some brows today. So let's start off with the NYX. It is vegan and cruelty-free. It has two sides. It's got the spoolie and the mechanical twist. Mechanical twist just means that you twist it and you don't sharpen it to get more product. This sells for $11 and comes in 12 shades. The marketing says that it is vegan, cruelty-free, as I said, and long wearing, and has a creamy formula. This is one of the brow pencils that's in my regular rotation, and I am gonna use the color Blonde. First, I like to comb all my brow hairs up. Now, as we get older, one of the things that I think is important when you're talking about your brows, and wear your brows however you want to wear them, I find that brows that are a solid color just look really harsh, overdone, and really fake. So when I do my brows, I like to have hair-like strokes, but still be able to see some skin in between, and so that it's not a solid color. My brows are farther apart than I'd like them to be, so I need to start with just a little bit of a mark right here so I know where they should end. And then on the tail, yeah, they're getting a little shorter as I get older. Okay, so for my brows, and I had a lady leave a comment that you never draw straight lines with your brows. Do your brows however you want to get the finished look. I like to outline my brows first. This formula is so creamy, it does allow you to draw a straight line if you like. I like to get my border down with my brows on the top and the bottom, and then I will go in and fill in the brows. So I'm just gonna go create that outline, if you will. And brows do take a little bit of time. Remember, brows are sisters and not twins, so they don't have to be exactly perfect. Nobody's eyebrows are identically perfect. Now that I have my outline, I like to go in, and this tip is just fine enough to let me go in and create some individual hairlines so that it looks like these are brow hairs and not a brow uni-piece. This is not meant to be all one solid color. I just love the way this works. It's very smooth, it's creamy, it goes on without grabbing, so it glides onto your skin. And that is a nice looking brow, I have to say. And they're $11, so you can pick up different shades. I sometimes like to do more of an ombre shade where I'll put a lighter color in the front and then darken it as I work my way back into the tail of the brow. And again, 12 shades available for $11. I mean, why not? So I do like this one. I love the price point and I love how long it lasts. So again, I'll show you what this looks like in 8 hours. But let's go to the Victoria Beckham side. Now, along with some beautiful packaging, one of the most notable differences between the two products is this one does contain some ingredients that are impressive. It is cruelty-free, just like NYX. This one contains rosehip seed oil, which helps hydrate and moisturize, almost condition your brow hairs. Just like the NYX, it comes with a spoolie, and this comes in 6 shades. I have it in shade taupe. Now the difference is this, even though it's called a microblade, it is a mechanical tip also, meaning you just twist it. But you'll see it's the angled blade. If sometimes you like to use the angle and other times you like to use a fine tip, but you also need a spoolie. Pure has one that has both tips and a spoolie. It's more of a brush, and so does Anastasia of Beverly Hills. So let's just see what all the hype is about with this. Did I comb these yet? I don't know if I did, but let's just do it again because I need every brow to be on salute right now because my brows are thinning by the hour. Okay, so this side, as I said before, needs to come out. And this one is almost, is that longer than that? Oh, huh. I don't think I noticed that before, that this brow is a little longer. Great, slow your roll. Don't shrink any sooner than you have to. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna find the right tip on here. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, that draws a very straight line, really easy. It is a creamy formula. And wow, that is a really easy. This is very creamy, you guys. Now I do have a little darker color in the one by Victoria Beckham, so don't compare these two brows in terms of the shade, because I do have blonde on this side and taupe on this side. That's my mistake. I guess that just goes to show you I used to be more blonde, and that's how long I've been using this. I just keep buying the same color. I am going a little darker with my hair lately, so that's why I went with taupe on this one, and should have thought that through a little better. That's okay. Beautiful brow, stunning actually, and I'm just gonna go in and comb it up. Okay. All right, here's, I'm a little torn right now because I love the price point of $11. $34 for an eyebrow pencil seems a little bit high for me, but the difference in the way these brows look, this is a very precise, crisp, sharp. This one, the formula is a little softer, so it does get a more of a blurred line. No right or wrong, it just depends on what look you like. And the answer may be sometimes you like both. It just depends on your overall makeup look. Some days you may want a softer blurred line, and other days you may want just real crisp eyebrows. That to me is the biggest difference between these two. Besides the color, of course. If you like a natural brow and you like it to be more soft edges, I like the NYX one better. If you like a more sharp, it's there, very crisp, clean brow, then this one right out of the gate is a better application. I like both depending on the makeup look I'm going for. If I'm going for a no makeup look and I want everything a little softer, then this NYX one is the look I'd like. If I like just real crisp, I'm going out somewhere and I want to look pulled together and the rest of my makeup is also very sharp and precise and done up, then this is the brow that I'm going for. Because you'll notice that with the makeup that I have on today, the look that I have, this brow is a little out of line because it's a softer look, where the rest of my makeup is more boom, it's a made up look. This eyebrow with the sharpness and sleekness of the pencil looks more pulled together and in place and purposeful with this done up, the dog just came in to visit, with this done up makeup look. So right out of the gate, that's the biggest difference between the two, is the way they applied, and I love them both. It just depends on what look I have. Okay, so here's what they look like at the this is what they look like at the 0 hour mark. I'm gonna go through my day, and I do have a pretty active day. I don't know that I'll work up a sweat today because I think it's like 15 degrees today, but I will be in and out. There's a little bit of a breeze, so we'll see how these two hold up. All right, you guys, so we are back at the 8.5 hour mark, and I mean, there's really just nothing to say right now other than I am almost speechless because I didn't think an eyebrow pencil would be so incredible that I would love it this much. I just looked in the viewfinder and realized that my lip pencil is kind of gone for the day. I'll get back to the review in a second. You've probably seen all over social media the new MAC nude collection, and I got sucked in. I looked at them and I saw a couple videos and I kept writing names down of ones that I'm like, okay, next time I go to the store, I'm gonna pick up these MAC lipsticks. And then I said, Jody, you don't need to do that because I have plenty of MAC lipsticks, like plenty. And I mean, I still have some that are still that I haven't even opened yet. So I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. Which this one, why didn't I open this? This one's Honey Love. I must have really liked this one if I bought a couple of them. I'm sure I did. I mean, that's gorgeous. So yeah, I don't need to go buy new ones. And the one I'm wearing today, which I don't even know if they still make this one. This is called Bosom Friends. I love that. What lip liner? I put that on with Subculture. This is my combo today. And it is the perfect nude combo. And I don't know why I'm applying lipstick and lip liner at 9 o'clock at night, other than to finish this video, but we're almost finished with it. That's okay. You guys, and as a side note, I had some age spots removed on my hand through an IPL process, and they're in the process of, when you do an IPL, the dark pigment comes up to the surface and then it takes a little while for it to dry off and flake off, and then you're left with new skin. This hand is right in the process of healing, so some of it's still red and the darker spots are still kind of coming off, so I can't wait for that process to happen. You have to do it 3 times though, a month apart, to get the full result, so I'm excited to do that. Anyway, rambling, but you already know how this video ends because I had to jump in early on and tell you. When I tell you that this is a game-changing eyebrow pencil, and I rarely say stuff like that, yes, it's $34. Yes, it's pricey. Yes, it's worth every penny in my humble opinion. This eyebrow looks like I got it professionally done. The way this glides into such a straight line and then does not move throughout the day is nothing short of a miracle, actually. This is the first Victoria Beckham cosmetic product or beauty product that I have tried. I am definitely more influenced, encouraged to go try some more because this is a game-changing eyebrow pencil for me. And I don't say that very often. The products that I have that I use on the regular, I absolutely love. This not only is better than anyone I've ever tried, it will take a lot to outperform this eyebrow pencil. This is not a sponsored video. Victoria Beckham, you're more than welcome to send me some of your products because I would love to try them. But I bought this one myself and I am super, super glad that I tried it. The NYX one is fine. It does soften or smudge. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. It smudges a little bit throughout the course of the day. Now on no makeup days, or where I am gonna not wear much, if I'm gonna wear like a tinted moisturizer and just have a natural day at home, I don't need my eyebrow to look this sharp, but that's like 10% of the time. If that is a higher percentage for you and you like a softer brow, that you just look, that it's more of a natural look and you do have that look more often, then a NYX one is good. Anastasia Beverly Hills is great. Like I said, Pure is good, but Benefit has some. But if you are a makeup lover and you like your makeup to look like on sharp every day or more days than not, I don't think you will regret this buying decision at all. So today's Friday Face Off is a no-brainer for me. This is a new holy grail and it just feels good. It looks good. I am now in love with this more expensive, even though I said I was going to try not to buy anything and it's not even February yet. So yeah, I would still buy it if I was you, and it's February now, right? So don't wait, go get this. I think you will absolutely love it. If you have this, let me know in the comments below. For those of you that have, okay, House Labs foundation. If you like House Labs foundation and you like it because you watch this channel and you know how good it is and you're glad you did it, this is in that same category where it will forever change the product that you use on your brows. It's not sponsored. It sounds sponsored. It's totally not sponsored. That's how much I love it. All right, you guys, that does it for me today. I don't even want to go wash this brow off. I want to just go to bed with these brows because it looks amazing. That does it for me. Have a good rest of your day and get out and get some new brow pencil if you are on the market. I'll see you in just a couple days. Thanks for watching. Oh, a couple days. Yes, the next video coming out will be on Tuesday, but instead of a video, I'm going to do a live with my friend Julie Meikle up in Canada. We haven't done a live for a while and we are talking all about our favorite foundations, why they're our favorites, from mattes to satins to natural finishes, from full coverage to medium coverage to satin coverage, drugstore luxury. We're both bringing it to share with you. So watch for that. That will be at noon on Pacific time, 3 o'clock Eastern time, all on this coming Tuesday. I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.